Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery, $1 million copper tube manufacturing factory, revolutionizing cable recycling with copper wire granulator technology. Copper, the cornerstone of modern electrical and plumbing industries, is more valuable than ever due to its high conductivity, durability, and recyclability. A state-of-the-art copper tube manufacturing factory, built on the revolutionary upcast SG tube technology, represents a giant leap in efficiency and sustainability. Leveraging advanced cable recycling processes through copper wire granulators, this facility sets new benchmarks in cost-effective production and environmental responsibility. Copper wire granulators play a pivotal role in the cable recycling process. These machines efficiently separate copper from plastic insulation in discarded cables, turning waste into pure, reusable copper. This process ensures that valuable resources are not lost, significantly reducing the need for virgin copper extraction, which is both costly and environmentally taxing. The granulation process begins with shredding the cables into smaller pieces. These fragments are then subjected to a separation system that isolates the copper from the plastic. The extracted copper, now in granular form, serves as a high-quality raw material for further manufacturing processes, such as upcast SG tube continuous casting. The upcast SG tube technology is a groundbreaking method for producing thin-walled copper tubes. Unlike conventional methods that involve multiple steps of casting, rolling, and drawing, the upcast SG tube process offers a direct and efficient alternative. This technology casts copper into heavy coils of thin-walled tubes, which are ready for further processing in tube drawing and annealing machines. By eliminating several intermediate steps, upcast SG tube reduces operational costs, making copper tube production more economical. This streamlined approach minimizes labor, energy, and material waste. The continuous casting process ensures uniform wall thickness and surface finish, meeting the stringent quality requirements of industries such as HVAC, plumbing, and electrical applications. Upcast SG tube technology enables the production of heavy coils that are easy to transport and handle. These coils can be further processed to meet diverse customer specifications. The process supports the use of recycled copper, aligning with global sustainability goals. By reusing materials obtained from granulators, the technology contributes to a circular economy, reducing the environmental footprint of copper tube manufacturing. One of the most significant benefits of the upcast SG tube technology is its ability to optimize production capacity. It effectively bridges the gap between traditional copper cast rod production and the final tube product. This capability eliminates the need for separate casting and rolling facilities, significantly reducing capital expenditure and space requirements. Upcast SG tube systems are designed to integrate seamlessly into existing manufacturing setups. Whether the factory focuses on producing copper tubes for industrial applications or supplying raw materials for downstream processes, this technology enhances operational flexibility and scalability. The ability to switch between producing cast rods and tubes depending on market demand ensures maximum utilization of resources. As industries worldwide strive to achieve net zero emissions, technologies like Upcast SG2 play a crucial role in enabling sustainable manufacturing. By combining cutting-edge recycling processes with efficient casting techniques, this copper tube factory not only meets current market demands, but also prepares for future challenges. With the increasing global emphasis on resource conservation and waste reduction, facilities equipped with Upcast SG tube technology are well positioned to lead the industry. The integration of copper wire granulators further amplifies these advantages by creating a closed-loop system that maximizes resource efficiency. The Guidetti Wire Pro cable recycling plant, installed at Riewoldt in the Netherlands, is revolutionizing how electric cables are processed. This state-of-the-art copper wire granulator offers an exceptionally clean and efficient solution for recycling cables, ensuring minimal waste and maximum recovery. By leveraging cutting-edge technology, it transforms discarded wires into high-quality raw materials, ready to be repurposed for new applications. The process is remarkably tidy and effective. Once the electric cables are processed, the recovered copper undergoes meticulous analysis to confirm its purity and suitability for reuse. This ensures that the recycled copper meets the highest standards, making it ideal for various industrial applications. The result is a circular approach to resource management, reducing dependency on virgin raw materials and promoting environmental sustainability. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, the importance of having reliable access to raw materials has never been more apparent. As the global community focuses on rebuilding a resilient future, sustainable recycling solutions like the Guidetti Wire Pro plant play a critical role. By turning waste into valuable resources, these technologies contribute to a greener economy and reduce the environmental footprint of industrial operations. The partnership with Guidetti demonstrates how advanced recycling solutions can support economic recovery while prioritizing environmental health. With facilities like this, we're not just managing waste, we're transforming it into the building blocks of tomorrow, ensuring a sustainable and resource-secure future for all.